Rise and shine! The cuddly, soft Naptime is now here in a bonus bundle. That's right, A Star is Born Naptime has been upgraded to an even bigger ball. There's even more to love. If you haven't had the pleasure of meeting A Star is Born Naptime, let me tell you a little about this awesome yarn. It was created with babies in mind, but it's fantastic for home decor as well as grown-up garments and accessories. Naptime is a chenille texture yarn, which means it's super soft and velvety. Naptime Bonus Bundle is the same worsted weight 100% polyester yarn, but this comes with more than double the yardage than the original Naptime. That's right, there's 735 yards in each bonus bundle. That's enough to make toys, baby garments, or stroller blankies with just one ball. And it's machine washable. Naptime Bonus Bundle also comes in some of the same colors as the original Naptime, but there are also a few new colors like this apple green and yellow. These are really great baby colors, but don't forget about making great accessories for yourself with Naptime Bonus Bundle. And if you love making, you're going to want to stay up to date with Lion Brand, so hit that subscribe button. Check out the way that this texture gives your stitches a really beautiful dimension. I absolutely love the velvety texture. It feels so soft and snuggly while it's on the needles and while you're wearing it. And the stitches blend together into a gorgeous chenille fabric. I've used Naptime for amigurumi before, and it made the softest stuffed animals for babies, so I highly recommend it for making toys. But you can also see that it's got really great drape, so it's really wearable for garments and great for making blankies. Or try making a velvety throw pillow for your couch. If you love Naptime, you're definitely going to want to upgrade to Naptime Bonus Bundle for even more yardage. Check it out now. Happy stitching!